Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alluring 23. In this video, we are going to be tying a perfectly round gele. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Here is our first step. I'm going to fold the gele to the back. You can choose to do it this other way. This is the back and this is the front. So you can choose to fold it this way. You can also choose to fold it this other way. This is the front. So after folding it to the back, ensure this side is longer than this side. Then you start from here. Start from placing it here. And whenever you are tying your gele, ensure this front side is lapping well and it's not looking weak. Because when your gele is looking weak, you will not see the beauty. So first of all, ensure it's well tight. Now bring it to this other side. After bringing it to this other side, you bring this other way. You place your hand like this way. Place your hand this way. You now bring this one to this other side. And make sure your hand is still inside. If not, it will look weak. So after turning it to this other side, you ensure the tie is firm on her. Is it tight? So you can choose to make it bigger than this. You can choose to make it smaller than the first one I did. So it's your choice. So after bringing it this way, you pin by the side down a here. So after pinning by the side, also pin this other side as well. So after pinning, you start creating your pleat. You can make 4 pleats, you can make 3 pleats, you can make 7 pleats depending on how big the tie is. If the tie was 4 pieces, you can choose to do like 8 pleats. It's still okay. So me, I'll be doing 5 pleats. And when doing your plate, ensure it's the same space with this one. So this is my last plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So move over to this side. I'll be picking my plate one after the other. As I'm picking, I'm dragging it also to ensure it's firm. Now I'm going to be pinning the same place I pinned the first pin. So after pinning, I'll be making another plate, and the next one will be on top of the last one. You can choose to do as many pleats as you want, depending on how big the tie is. So after that, I'll be folding this other side of the gele like this. So after folding it, see the way I'm placing my hand? This other one is inside and this other one is in this other side. So I'll pick, 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 and pick. And make sure all the pleats are in the last pleat, the last 5 pleats. And when you are doing your pleats, you don't have to press it, even though it will not come out. I see what I'm doing. I'll start arranging my pleats. And make sure you pick it one after the other. And as you are picking it, you are dragging it. You can choose to pin or you can just tell your model to hold for you. So I'll come over to this side, do the same thing, pick one after the other. Ensure you don't miss any plate. So as you are picking it, you are dragging it upward to ensure it's looking high and fine. So after arranging it, you now shift your hand, this other hand to this side, then make another, arrange another plate like that, like that. So at this point, I'll change the position of my hand. Still arrange the pleats like this. Still ensure you don't leave any plates behind. So at this point, I'm going to wrap it. You can choose to pin, you can choose to leave it. Then after pinning, you come back to the front. Arrange it. And as you're arranging it, you are shifting it so it to become high. Okay, do the same thing to this other side. Make sure you pick your pleats one after the other. Okay. So at this point, I'm now going to use this other one, wrap it to this other side, then still arrange it, then pin this, tie this other side. And when you are tying, ensure you don't tie everything at the same time. If not, this side is going to look flat and it won't look nice. So after that, you push out this one. So after pushing out, you come to the front again. Come back to arrange it. And when you're arranging it, you make sure this side of the gele and this side of the gele is the same, not this one flat, this one big. So you need to make sure the back side is also looking fine and well structured. So after putting this inside, now cross the two together and wrap it. So first of all, I'm going to pin the smallest one first. Then wrap this other one. And pin. So I'm done with the back. I'll now come back and arrange it properly. And still push out this one. So guys, we are done with our perfectly round one. So please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.